COVID-19 has created strict disinfecting protocols and growing labor challenges around the world, requiring a faster way to effectively apply disinfectants. To meet these challenges, Graco has now combined 3 exclusive technologies to create the fastest, most powerful electrostatic disinfectant solution ever built. Introducing the new SaniSpray HP 20 Electrostatic Pro Pack, the industry's first 3-in-1 disinfectant system that includes 3 powerful technologies in one complete portable system. First, it's an airless disinfectant handheld. Applies chemicals up to 10 times faster with a high-pressure airless piston pump, delivering maximum transfer efficiency with less wasted chemical. Powered by DeWalt and delivered with a 42-ounce flex liner for ultimate portability, providing consistent coverage from edge to edge. See the difference? Second, it's an electrostatic disinfectant handheld, the industry's most powerful electrostatic system that effectively wraps around complex objects, delivering complete coverage, ensuring efficient chemical usage to reduce material costs. Its real-world grounding system delivers reliable performance throughout the day, 100% effective grounding, even when wearing gloves. And third, it's a ProPack electrostatic system. Delivers 9 times the material capacity, comfort, and portability to keep you spraying and help you tackle larger jobs faster than ever before. Quickly connect the high-capacity 3-gallon ProPack in seconds. Just click and go. The SaniSpray HP 20 Electrostatic Pro Pack, the 3 most powerful disinfectant solutions in one complete system. Every SaniSpray HP sprayer is built with the highest grade materials, designed, manufactured, assembled, and supported right here in the USA, ready to spray right out of the box. Just add disinfectant and get to work. For the highest productivity, strongest wrapping power, and most complete coverage on every surface, trust SaniSpray HP electrostatic sprayers from Graco.